Hi everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. We are now in the month of November, and that is one of my favorite holiday months, Thanksgiving. So what I've decided to do this month is to make it all of November, not just focus on the day. Under the current landscape that we are navigating, the holidays are going to be much different. So instead of being worried and anxious, let's embrace the change and see what we can do to get the most out of it. So over the next several weeks, I'm going to share with you some of my tips, some menus, and some different recipes. And I'm going to suggest to you some different ideas that might help you stay engaged with your family that you might not see on Thanksgiving Day. So look at your recipes. Maybe you have this great recipe that you and your dad share. That's the turkey recipe. So on Thanksgiving morning, maybe you're not going to be able to be with your dad like you've normally done, but you can share the day with a cup of coffee on FaceTime early as he's putting his turkey in and maybe you're putting your turkey in. We have to be creative. We also really want to think about the people who have a challenging time during these holidays under normal circumstances. Everybody's going to have to look at it differently. So let's do the best that we can to share the goodness and the great just moment of being able to be grateful for what we have. So let's take some baby steps. Stay tuned with me, stay sure, strong, and steady, and we'll do this together throughout the month. Have a great day.